Right, quick one here. I want to share with you my trading strategy, and that may help you to add on to your trading strategies. Trading strategies or doing your technical analysis, you need to do it on your own. Do your own researches, and this is what I do. I use two, and not only two but three, just three, and it's enough for me. I use the MACD indicator, and I'm going to tell you what I use that for, and I use the RSI indicator, right? That's the relative strength index, and also I add on to maybe moving averages. I do add this ones too that you see, EMA 200 and also EMA 9, and that's so moving averages, but I don't really use them much. I just use them for confirmation, but my emphasis today is going to be on the MACD and the RSI indicator. It tells you what to do, what to expect of the market. So you can see, I'm going to start with the MACD indicator, and I'm using Bybit platform. With Bybit platform, you already have a prepaid premium type of trading view accounts. If you use the normal trading view, you may not have some of the features. You can only add 2 indicators, but with the MACD trading view or Bybit on trading view, you can add a lot of them, and you can use that for free. So please, you can go and get that. So you can get the link to Bybit if you are not having Bybit accounts. You may not trade with Bybit, but you can use their system to do your own. But if you are using Binance too, the link is in the description below. All of them have their trading view that you can use to do analysis. But let's come back to the analysis tab for you. So this is the MACD indicator. So you see that this is the MACD line and the signal line, right? The signal line is the pink or kind of like whatever you call it, but the blue one is the MACD indicator. That is the MACD line, and the whole thing is the MACD indicator. So I'm using the lines and the histogram. So you can see that over here, the MACD, the blue, the pink, or this one, whether it's pink or yellow, it has crossed down the blue line here, over here. And that is why you are seeing the green. So whenever the blue line is up, you see the green indicators, histogram. So you see here, the green started. And you see the green, the trading shot up. It just shot up. The price skyrocketed to the all-time high of crypto. And that's 109 here. 109,900 and almost more to get to 110,000 USD. So with this one, you see that. And here, you can realize that over here too, a crossover, the blue line crossed over the signal line, and the price started dropping. Even though the dropping is not that strong, but you could see that it could give you an indication that it's going to drop. But you see, you add that with the histogram. You can see that here, the strength of the rise started to weaken. And that is why you see the thin lines, thin green lines. And then when it crossed over, it started with red. And then, so it can still go down or up. The price can still, because now it's showing that there's weakness. They've bought a lot and that. So to get on a safer side, I use the tool to also analyze the market, and that is the RSI indicator. So you can just go on to the indicators panel. Just go, or if you are on just here on the indicators here, and you type on RSI. You just type in RSI, relative strength index, and you enter. You are going to see that any indicator that you need, just go there and see that. So you can see here the RSI indicator. This just tells me that the market is the movement of the market, but it tells me where they've overbought the stock or they've oversold. So you can see within here that the price rose up. It told me that yes, it's an artificial rise. It will come down, it will correct itself. They've overbought the crypto, BTC. So from here, that's the 70 RSI 70 line, and the down here is 30. So you can see that the RSI line has crossed the 70. So this area simply means that has been overbought. So if you are buying, and you can see that it all moves with this one, it's been overbought. And if you see the MACD line, the signal line here, and it will tell you there's a gap here. That shows you that something maybe untoward happened in terms of the pricing. Someone had miraculously bought large quantities, maybe some whale or stuff, and that indicates that for me. So you can see that I can confirm that here, that yes, it's been overbought. So if I'm trading here, I'm just going to be extra careful. And once I see that it starts to trend, and I see this signal line, this weakness, I know that the price is coming down again. So I can wait for it to come down for me to now buy again. So I use that to enter trades and to exit trade. So let's go down. You see that there's a point that you see that the price has been oversold. This one too, you can see that here, it came down. Told you that someone has dumped sold that, dumped it, and that is why it is here. And with this strategy, you'll be on the safer side. So if the price is here, up here, I see that the indicator has been oversold or overbought, I will never buy again. I'm going to wait for it to retrace down for me to buy. Sometimes it takes time for it to come down for you to buy. So always do your research. Use the MACD, use the RSI indicator, and you are good to go. Then I also use the EMA. So follow me, join my Telegram group. The link is in the description below. I also have a YouTube, like a course, a free course for you to be able to learn how to trade. It's just a free course for you. You can also get a link to Bybit and Binance to start trading. You can also support our channel, share this, and let's do more. Thank you very much. Hope you learned something. I believe in you. Let's do it.